Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to this stream. I have some very exciting news. I got the um oh sorry, I got a bit distracted. I got a gifted subscription for Hack the Box VIP Plus, which is actually really amazing. This means that I can play boxes and do all sorts of cool things. Play a lot of retired machines and actually learn a little bit more hands-on rather than getting a lot of hand-holding from TryHackMe. So we're just gonna try starting point from Hack the Box. So let's see. Learning outcomes. In the first year, you will gain essential skills in the world of cybersecurity pen testing. You'll start by learning how to connect to various services such as FTP, SMB, Telnet, RiseSync, and RDP anonymously. Next, you'll discover the power of Nmap, a valuable tool for identifying open ports on a target systems, allowing you to assess their vulnerabilities. Lastly, you'll explore connecting to a MongoDB server, adding a valuable layer to your penetration testing knowledge. This tier will lay a strong foundation for your journey into the realm of cybersecurity. So um, the first machine is Meow. Hold on, let me actually turn on music. There you go. So some nice background music. I have never done any of this before. As you can see, I am a noob. I'm 0% towards a script kiddie. And I've done absolutely nothing in this. This is my first time ever trying Hack the Box. I have figured out how to connect to the starting point using my Kali Linux machine, which is pretty cool. So apparently here we learn a little bit about telnet protocols, reconnaissance. I have no idea what that means. Weak credentials, misconfiguration, etc. We can watch the visceral write-up or go through the video walkthrough, but that is boring. We want to figure things out ourselves. To attack the target machine, you must be on the same network, connect to the starting point VPN using one of the following options. I don't know why this is recommended. Because we have all of the tools in this VM. So we are connected to starting point, so we're going to spawn the machine. This might take a little bit, but we can only reach these things when we have spawned the instance or created the instance. So in the meantime, I'm going to take care of some YouTube stuff while that is loading. And of course I can talk to you guys. Sorry if I talk a little bit soft. I can't speak too loud. And there's no one really here. So let's see. So you're gonna hear my voice for a second, or maybe not. Hold on. Okay, it is. In the meantime, it has loaded. But just wait a second, I'll make a screen for when people have to wait as well. Yep, we can edit this. Oh. Let me see. Um, um, Alright. Okay. Now that that is taken care of. So, here you can see the target machine IP address. So if we say what happened there? No idea. Okay. So here we can see that we can ping the machine. Oh, there you go. Pretty nice. VM stands for virtual machine. Nice. What tool do we use to interact with the operating system in order to use commands? To issue commands via the command line, such as do you want to start our VPN connection? It's also known as console or shell. It's called PowerShell or terminal. Yeah, it was terminal. Nice. Okay. What service do we use to form our VPN connection into HTB Labs? I think OpenVPN is what I use. Yep, got that right. What tool do we use to test our connection with a target? With an ICMP echo requests. Yeah, that's ping. Also, I can look up these questions on here. That's pretty annoying. What is the name of the most common tool for fighting open ports? I'm pretty sure this is Nmap. Network mapping, I think that's the short for it. What service do I identify on port? Okay, so let's actually do an nmap scan. Nmap on telnet. I'm pretty sure, right? So the port is 23 TCP, it's open, and the service is telnet. Nice. Okay, this is actually doable. What username is able to log into the target over telnet via blank password? Okay. This might be anything. Admin. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, I think we actually need to figure out how to log in to target over a service. Kali Linux. Hydra? I do not understand what this means. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so we need to do something with telnet on port 23. I think a route. How do we get to the flag? Okay, wait, this is... This is actually pretty... Okay, I see a hack the box form here. Okay, now we're actually gonna take the hint. Okay, wait. I don't know enough about Linux, man. German. Okay, wait. MAP stands for network mapper, and it will send requests to the target's ports in hopes of receiving a reply, thus determining if the set port is open or not. Some ports are used by default by certain services, others might be a non-standard, which is why we will be using the service detection flag SV. To determine the name and description of the identified services, the text marked in green curly Following a complete, we have identified port 23/GPC in an open state running the telnet service. Other hosts and networks. Such as usually connection requests to telnet configure the username password combination for increased security. Okay. So it's pretty much saying Telnet, short for telecommunication network, is a client/server application protocol that provides access to virtual terminals of remote systems and local area networks or the internet. It is a protocol for bidirectional 8-bit communications. Connect terminal devices and terminal-oriented processes. Even though Telnet was an HAWK protocol with no official definition until March. The teletype over network protocol is the RFC206 until that makes connection clear. Primary function Telnet is to provide can hit all the keys on a virtual teletype. So network-based cyber attacks such as packet sniffing, sensitive information, including passwords and fingerprinting. If the banner, this information can be searched to determine if Telnet service accept connection without authentication. Okay, so we can just type Telnet. Okay, so sorry if I was quiet for a while. Okay. So I think we got the flag. And therefore we got our first... Oh, we get some music. That's very bad. Nice, very awesome. I did not know you can just... Honestly, I didn't really know you needed to use the surface it ran on. Also, in the write-up, they recommended you did an nmap. The versions as well. Okay. Because we're still connected to it. Oh, never mind. Oh, okay, well now we kinda know what to do. So what is fawn? Let's actually close out this terminal and open a fresh one. Sorry if I'm very focused on certain things at certain times. Okay. So this will teach you about FTP, file transfer protocol, protocols reconnaissance. What is... Reconnaissance is the information gathering stage of ethical hacking where you collect data about the target system. This data can include anything from network infrastructure to employee contact details. The goal of reconnaissance is to identify as many potential attack vectors as possible. Okay. Well, now I know that too. So I need to spawn the machine. And let's actually ping the machine as soon as there is an instance. I actually don't know. I feel like I'm reading this question right now. I feel like it's on port 40 something. Not sure. I have a little bit of a networking background. Well, not a background, so to say, but I have done the pre-security, cybersecurity knowledge of TryHackMe, which is actually pretty useful. But people recommended me this course or this. Just do a lot of these machines and you'll eventually get good. That's pretty much what they meant. Just do your research, try to learn new things. Okay, so here's the machine. Let's ping it. Always first ping it. Let's copy it. Let's paste it. There you go. Let's see, it's connected. 0 packet loss, etc. It stands for File Transfer Protocol. Okay, so let's actually do an nmap scan with the service. So this might take longer. Port 21. So it runs on port 21. FTP stands data in the clear without any encryption. What acronym is used for a later protocol designed to provide similar functionality to the FTP but securely as an extension of the SSH protocol? I think secure FTP, which would be SFTP. That's just a pure guess because they usually put an S in front of it if it's secure. Like sometimes after, sometimes before, you have HTTP and then you have HTTPS. What is the command we can use to send an ICMP echo request to test our connection to the target? We already done that. It's ping. It's just like repeating certain things. From your scans, what version is FTP running on the target? That would be this. VSFTPD version save FTP. I don't know what the D stands for. 3.0.3. From your scans, what OS type is running on the target? Unix is running on the target. I'm wondering what Unix is. Unix is a family of multitasking, multi-user computer operating system that derived from the original AT&T Unix, whose development started in 1969 at the Bell Labs Research Center by Ken Thompson, Dennis Ritchie, and others. Unix is really meant to be a convenient platform for programmers developing software to be run on it and other systems rather than for non-programmers. The system grew larger as the operating system started spreading in academic circles and as users added their own tools. So it's pretty much just an open source. I feel like it's an open source operating system. This is a lot of information. A lot of information. I don't really care for the history though. Flexibility and adaptability. Is Unix Unix is a proprietary operating system and not all versions are freely distributed. However, specific Unix versions are free for development use. Okay, so it really depends with Unix. Okay. What is the command we need to run to display the FTP client help menu? I would guess, okay, let's actually try. I would guess FTP. There you go. So it would be FTP / question mark. Usage FTP. So let's actually read through this. FTP URL file only use IPv4 address. Force active mode. That might be handy. Use anonymous login. That might be handy. Enable debugging. Force cache reload. Use port. Force passive mode. What is the username that is used over FTP when you want to log in without having an account? Anonymous. Okay, so let's actually try FTP / A. I forgot, hold on. How do you exit this? Okay, I have no idea how to exit. If anyone has any idea, that would be pretty nice. Because I'm I'm not smartest. So we actually need to ping, or not ping, we actually need to we actually need to use the FTP protocol on the machine, which should connect us 2:30, because it says it right here, login successful 2:30. Nice. There are a couple of commands that we can use to list files and directories available on this FTP server. One is dir, what is the other? That is a common way to list files on a Linux system, that is ls. Here comes the directory listing flag.txt. Invalid command, okay. Get, okay. So that would be get. And then we can cat flag. Okay, wait. How to exit? Um, okay. Okay. Let's go on Quora, guys, because I have no idea how to do this. Exit, okay. Whoa, that took way way too long. So it's just exit. So I actually figured that out myself. Exits. And now we can go to... Oh. Wait a second. Okay, so this is the flag. I actually found it. Sorry if I'm quiet a lot. I have not many people to talk to right now. Copy selection. Paste. And we got the flag. Very cool. Oh, the annoying music again. That is so loud. So this was pretty cool. We pretty much downloaded the file from our machine on this machine, running over an FTP service, which is actually pretty cool. I did not know if I would be able to do that, but that is really cool. So we got a lot more boxes to do actually. We got Sing, Mongot, Precognition Explosion, Redeemer. Very cool. So let's go on to dancing. I'll try to talk a bit more because it's kind of boring with me very quiet. I like the part where I learned how to log into the FTP. It's very, very cool. I like it a lot. I can see myself okay, sorry for the long periods of quiet. I'm just taking care of a few things. And I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh yeah, I remember. Alright, I'm just currently chatting with someone really quickly about Hack the Box actually, and hacking. Okay, sorry. This is actually really cool. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm so excited to do this. So let's refresh the terminal. Let's just keep going, you know? Let's just keep doing this. Let's spawn the machine. This is really awesome. This is actually really cool. I'm not even gonna lie. And honestly, I don't even really care about the views and the... And you know, all of those things. I just want to have fun. Maybe build a small community to talk about hacking with. Stuff like that. You know. And I'm just really excited to do this. And the machine is here. So let's just get started with the dancing box. Protocols SMB. I know it's something with server. Not sure. It's again with getting information using nmap. Let's copy this. Let's ping the machine for good measures to see if we have a good connection, and we do. Very, very cool. So let's just stop that. What does the three-letter acronym SMB stand for? Let's actually Google this. SMB. Server message block. Let's actually read about this. Server message block SMB is a communication protocol used to share files, printers, serial ports, and miscellaneous communications between nodes on a network. On Microsoft Windows, the SMB implementation consists of two vaguely named Windows services, server and workstation. It uses NTLM or Kerberos protocols for user authentication. Oh, printers, serial ports, okay. Features. Server message block enables file sharing, printer sharing, network browsing, and inter-process communication through named pipes over a computer network. SMB serves as the basis for Microsoft distributed file system. So I'm guessing it is on a Windows operating system. So let's actually do an nmap with the version. Let's see. So we know it's server message block. Well, this nmap is going. Okay, so we found a bunch of open ports. Interesting. Yep, I was right. Microsoft Windows. So there's a couple of ports open. We got 135 with the TCP protocol, running the MSRPC service. We got port 1 39 open, also on TCP, all of them are on TCP, with NetBIOS SSN. And we got Microsoft DS, and it's an operating system, it's Windows. I don't know what a CP is. I don't know what that is. What port does SMB use to operate at? .445. I'm noticing some unusual behavior at 445 here. Microsoft DS. We could Google that, of course. What is the server's name for port 445 that came up in your mmap scans? Which would be this. Copy selection and paste. Oh, wait. Okay, so it's just Microsoft DS. That's what is Microsoft DS. A family of Microsoft server operating systems that support enterprise level management, data storage applications, and communications. Okay. Okay, interesting. So it's probably going to be for a business. We're probably going to break into a little bit of a business system. Very interesting. Okay, so let's do SMB slash question mark. Oh. SMB client. Okay, be used with the SMB client to list the available shares on dancing. It's slash capital L. Okay, so let's actually go down here. Let's do an SMB client with a slash L on the IP address. There you go. No, wait. Wait, let's actually see. Okay, root was actually the password. So we got 4. Interesting. What is the name of the share we are able to connect in the end? With a blank password. Hold on, let me see how we can log in. Let's actually try work shares. Because admin is definitely gonna have a login. C is definitely gonna have a login. And yeah, let's actually try work shares. So let's do SMB client. And then just how do we log in actually? Print version. Migrate to use Kubernetes. Hmm. Let's actually try this again. So we can just do that by going. Hmm. Be client. I don't really. Hmm. Browse, debug, base name user. Is it work group? Capital. Is it a capital W? What? Hmm. It's definitely work shares. Um. I think it's you. Okay, so actually. Why doesn't that work? Huh? Machine pass? Maybe P? Hmm. Um. I really don't know. Maybe let's actually. Um. Hmm. /B maybe browse the server. It's probably so easy, and I'm just trying really hard. Okay. SMB client. To log in to machine. Hold on. Several tools and Linux, etc. Followed by NetBuddy's name and share name. So it's just / work shares? Hold on. What server is it running on? Literally just / work shares? No, wait. Let's try that. Let's try that. Actually, like literally. So let's find, yeah, and then. No. Ooh, this is. Yeah, okay, but. Um. Hmm. Hmm. Is it really SMB client? Mm, 90 dot 252 slash work shares. Oh! Oh wow! I just did that. I figured that out. That's actually cool. So you need to the server is obviously the IP address that it's running on. You just need to connect the dots. And then the share name is obviously work shares. So let's actually list. Okay. cd amy.j work notes. Get work notes.txt. cd cd james.p. So we're going into the James file. We're gonna list everything in the James file. It has the flag text, so we're gonna get flag.txt. Now we can exit this program. Now if we list here, we can cat work nodes.txt. I want to see what's in it. Start Apache server on the Linux machine. Secure the FTP servers. Set up WinRM on dancing. Cool. Now we can cd ls again, and we can cat flag.txt to get the flag. Oh, that's so cool. So it takes a little bit. No, it takes a little bit, but we actually did it. Oh, that was not what I meant to do. Oh, I didn't know I had the IP still. Okay, so now we're gonna copy this. And we're gonna paste it in here. And there you go. We pawn on the machine. Loud music. Very loud music. Sorry for the super loud music. Very cool. We've been streaming for like an hour. That's not too long. I am gonna take a break in a second. And after that, we're just gonna continue. We already did 3 machines. We learn about SMBs, server message block. We learn about file transfer protocol. We learn about how to log into these systems, how to connect to these systems. For FTP, you just need the IP address. For SMB, you need the server and the share. Very cool, very interesting. This has some more stuff. So we're gonna do this one. And after that, I'm going to take a break. So we're gonna close this terminal. Gonna open a fresh one. And let's actually ls downloads. Um, remove, yeah, RM, sorry, I forgot that. We're just gonna clean up. Because we did the machine. So now we have a clean template while the machine is loading. Very cool. This is, I really, really like this. Okay, the machine is up and running. Alright, so actually let's get right into it. What is TCP? Which TCP? Okay, let's actually first ping the machine. Ping this IP for me, please. Thank you. Okay, so while that's up and running, let's start an nmap. Start an nmap scan on this port. Might take a bit, so let's look at the questions. Oh. Okay, nmap. Let's actually read this. IL input from this host, IR, okay. SL, PN, ping scan, SU, SS, ST. Secure scan pretty much, SN, SI, SY, SO, port, F, R, SV, SC, So this TCP scored port, so what we could try to do is do an SS scan. Maybe? Okay. So it might be a different one. So how do we scan all? So what if we do an all scan? Maybe this will take longer, but it might scan all of them. Okay. Interesting. I have no idea. So we can see a 9 here. And we can use the port. Where is it? Port P. Port ranges. Example P. Okay, no, we don't wanna. Okay, so let's actually Google this. How to scan network mapper. Okay. Okay, so I found something, I think. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do an nmap scan, and then, oh, that was not the intention. What if we do this? Maybe something will come out of this. I have no idea though. And this might take a bit. Okay, that worked, actually. It scanned port 6,397. That's cool. So it is open on Redis. What is an in-memory database? Redis. Okay, wait, no, I don't want to see this. Caching web pages, reducing load and service, and improving page loading times. Database. Welcome to the world's fastest data platform for gauging vector search and NoSQL databases. Redis is the world's fastest in-memory database. What is an in-memory database? Exactly. That is what I wanted to know. In-memory database. Unlike traditional database, an in-memory database system stores data entirely in a computer's main memory, RAM, instead of on-disk-based databases. This architecture allows faster access to frequently accessed data and ensures low latency for applications where speed is critical. Okay. So it's an in-memory because it increases speed. The Redis server. Kali Linux. Redis Cli. Okay. Redis Cli. So let's actually try Redis Cli. Redis Cli slash question mark. Redis. Okay guys, sorry for that very long pause. So we figured out that we need to use reticuli. Sorry if it's really hard to just keep focused when I don't know if anyone's watching or anything. So I'm very sorry for that. Which flag is used with the Redis command line utility to specify the hostname? So we actually have a list of commands, and it's H. So if we do oh, but it's also help. If with nothing else, it's help. But okay, so if we do redis cli/h and then the IP, um, okay. So this is about the Redis server. So now we're on port 6379, connected to the host, I'm pretty sure. Um, Information about the host name. I'm just looking through these. I know this is pretty boring. Print rolling stats. No, it ends with an O. Maybe more up. I don't see anything. Let's actually copy paste this to see if we can find something on info. Okay. So let's actually do info. Cool. So that would be info. What is the version of the Redis server? Let's go up a lot. Version 5.07. Cool. Which command is used to select the desirable database in Redis? Netstat? Okay, that's not right. Desired database. Let's actually copy paste this because I have no idea how to do this. Select the select command. I have no idea what all of this means, man. It feels so overwhelming. So one client is connected, which is probably me. This is the port. What is the database? Let's see. Maybe if we just type select. Oh wait, select index 0. Okay, wait. Maybe select index. Database using Redis. So now we're googling how to select a database. Yeah, let's see. Localhost. Localhost? What? Okay, wait. Wait, let's read this. Select the Redis logical database having the specified zero-base numeric index. Maybe if we just type select 0. Oh! Okay. Info. 4 keys. Oh, we could already see that. Here you have the key space. 4 keys. How to obtain keys. How to obtain keys Redis. So now we're gonna learn about databases. Get. Which, no. However, there's other keys. Keys. Keys 4? I don't know what I just did. I just made a screenshot. Keys 0? Okay, I really don't know. Obtain all the keys in a database. mget. mget 4. mget 0 for the database, maybe. I have no idea. I don't know. Now to get all keys in Redis. I don't even know what the keys are. NoSQL databases have been around for a long time in the IT world. Initially, they were treated as a curiosity, then delighted users with their efficiency in small projects. But now these are mature solutions you see daily in large projects, where efficiency is in the first place. Redis is a key value database that stores data in RAM, making it exceedingly efficient. However, behind the efficiency is the volatility of data, in some cases unacceptable. Okay, applications of Redis. Get key is given value on the given key. Search for all keys, persist key, rename key, type key. Type key. None. Right click keys slash. What? Hold on. Wait a second. Oh! What? Is it really that? Keys. And then I don't know what this is called. Whoa! Ooh. Didn't mean to do that. That's really cool. Get key flag. Get key 1. Get key flag. Mget key flag. What? That worked? That worked. Oh, the loud music again. Wow. Wow. That is really cool. That is super awesome. So those were all of the boxes. All the free boxes for tier 1. And now you got some of these RDP. This is very awesome. Hacking an Apache server. That is cool. Okay, wait. Let's actually read through this. Very interesting. In the second tier, you'll delve deeper into the world of cybersecurity pen testing, focusing on web exploitation techniques suitable for beginners. You'll discover the basics of SQL injection, server-side template injection, remote file inclusion, and gain a grasp of how to use web reverse shells effectively. Building on the knowledge from the first tier, you'll apply these techniques to exploit various services showcased earlier, ensuring a hands-on understanding of their vulnerabilities. Additionally, you'll learn how to navigate Jenkins, a popular automation server, to log in and upload a groovy shell script, a valuable skill for penetration testing. Finally, you'll round out your expertise by understanding how to upload files to an S3 bucket, providing you with a comprehensive range of skills to excel in the cybersecurity field. This tier takes you one step further in your pen testing journey. Very cool. tier 2, I think tier 2 boxes are also all very easy. Dominate the leaderboards, climb the ranks. I don't think I can show this. I can only show the retired machines, so quickly click that. These are the retired machines. So I've sorted them by easiest. Actually, let's see this. I'm actually pretty interested. So let's disconnect by Control Cing out of this. So we can actually open VPN our way. Oh, we can actually use this. And then in here we can then we can copy this. Oh. Oh right, I forgot. Wait. Why? Oh. I don't know why I did that. There you go. There was troubleshooting there. Should be connected in just a second. Okay. So let's just let's try blue. This is literally the easiest box in ActiveBox. And it's a retired machine, so I'm allowed to play this machine. Or actually stream this machine. I read the TOS and they allowed me to do this. So that's very cool. Very, very awesome. It's spawning, it's taking a while. It's online. It's there you go. I got the IP address, let's ping it. It's online. Okay. Let's stop that. Let's do an nmap scan. How many TCP ports? Let's scan all of the ports with SS on this IP. Might take a while, so let's... This is gonna take so long, but it's gonna look through all of the TCP transfer control protocol ports that use TCP, and it's gonna send SYNAC packet, the 3-man handshake, and we're gonna see what comes out of this. Okay. Any 5-digit ports don't have to be included, so the answer is 3. Which is correct. What is the host name of blue? So this is an SMB client. So let's actually... and then do the... Oh. Oh, this host. There you go. Sorry guys, I kind of forgot. This is for the Redis. The host name of Blue, wait. Is it Microsoft DS? Wait, let's actually run the nmap scan again with getting the service. Let's see. Let's wait a bit again. This is gonna take a while. Because it's gonna go through all of the ports. Maybe the... wait. can't type. And then paste the actual. Yep. Let's wait again. Now it's not going to scan all ports because that's a little bit unnecessary. But it's going to scan the types, the host name maybe. Maybe a little bit more calm. It's an underscore. I have no idea how to view the host name of anything. Harris PC. Okay, so that actually worked. The host is Harris PC. Nice. The service worked. What operating system is running on the target machine? Give a two-worded answer with a name and high-level version. What? Oh. Windows 7. Windows 7. 5. We already did that. Kind of working ahead here. What 2017 Microsoft Security Bulletin number? What? What is a Microsoft Security Bulletin number? Microsoft Security Bulletin number. Security bulletins. The Microsoft Security Response Center releases security bulletins on a monthly basis addressing security vulnerabilities in Microsoft software. Okay. So we can throw this into Google. MS 17, Microsoft 17. Optional question. A worm was set loose on the internet in May 2017, primarily through MS 1710. What is the famous name for that malware? So we're actually exploiting a Remote code execution vulnerability. What is that? What is a remote code execution vulnerability? Remote code execution (RCE) is a type of security vulnerability that allows attackers to run arbitrary code on a remote machine, to it over public or private networks. RCE, Kali, Linux, MS-17, 010. Security update. The most severe vulnerabilities could allow remote execution if an attacker sends specifically crafted message to Microsoft Server message block. For more information, vulnerabilities. Is it this? October 20, Microsoft has changed the update server mode to Windows 7. Vulnerabilities get in the way with the Microsoft Server mesh block. Server handles certain requests. An attacker who successfully exploited can enable it to execute code on the target's server to exploit the vulnerability in most situations. An authenticated attacker could send a specific private packet that addresses the vulnerability by correcting how SMBv1 handles these specifically crafted requests. How to exploit MS-17, 010 with Metasploit. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait. MSF console. Let's see. So we're actually exploiting this machine now by using the... Oh. Okay. So actually, now I'm right now setting the password and the user for the SMB by using Metasploit. I have no idea how this works. And let's paste the cool. And then do a run. Let's see. Okay. Wait. But no session was created. Run again. Alright, complete. Why is no session? Created. Okay guys, I think I'm going to continue this later. We've done a bit of blue, we've done a lot of starting point. I learned a bunch of stuff, actually, a lot of stuff, which is really cool. But I think I need to end here. I'm sorry if I've been very quiet. I've been streaming for 2 hours. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.